Here we have it. This particular pattern is called chords. If you like this video, be sure to
Alright,
check out my
before we
playlist for
start,
more
you
awesome
must know the
patterns
notations
like
of Rubik's
this.
Cube. If you are a beginner and you have no idea about the notations of the Rubik's Cube, then I highly recommend you to check out my video, The Basic Notations of Rubik's Cube for Beginners. The link is in the description down below.
Alright, in order to achieve the pattern, follow the algorithm very carefully. U twice, F twice, D twice, B twice, R twice, U twice, V twice, R twice, U twice, and in the end R twice. There we have it. This particular pattern is called chords. If you like this video, be sure to check out my playlist for more awesome patterns like this.